In the Sumatra jungle, the tigers who live there are in big trouble. They're being hunted by poachers. It's their fault the tigers are in danger. You guys come with me. We'll go into the jungle and find the tigers. You guys go that direction. We'll cover more ground that way.
Here are the tigers.
Huh?
Aw, they're just cubs. But I don't think they like us.
In any case, we have to get them to a safe place. If they stay here, they're in danger.
We can't force them to come with us.
I have an idea. Maybe we can earn their trust with a little food.
They've calmed down, but we need something more to convince them we're on their side here.
Let's use our Butterflix power. The Butterflix power is a gift from nature. They'll trust us now.